Back again, viewers, and these vlogs and food reviews here today, and this is the video I said I would do in the last one. I did a video on the Hippodrome, and I said I was going to come back and show you some of the work being carried out. If you haven't seen the last video, I will do a recap of what I talked about. This building is going to be demolished. Of course, it used to be Dudley Opera House, Dudley Hippodrome, and then it was Gala Bingo. And so I'm just going to show you some of the demolition taking place. Work has begun. Everybody's keeping well, enjoying their day. Then we know the weather's going to be nice, the sun's out. And there we have it, viewers. You can see the work taking place. That building there, viewers, before I show you more of the demolition work going on, that there used to be Now Limits nightclub. Yeah, the building started back in 1899. It was Dudley Opera House. If you haven't seen that video, I recommend you check it out, and it shows you some of the history of what happened at this building. Sit down close so I can get to that. See some of the graffiti on the walls, look. Massive building, isn't it, viewers? Massive. I'd say it's had some famous people back in the day. Come here. Robertson, Tommy Cooper, Lola Nardi, all performed at this Dudley Hippodrome here. They've started work on all the side there. You can see where they've all started it. You can see all the work there. Look where they've been demolishing it, viewers. I'd always love to see, you know, what things was like in the day, and it was interesting. It was interesting seeing some of these clips of this place. It really was. Fortunately, I wasn't about then. Some of those people I mentioned in the video, famous people, it's amazing. I couldn't believe it when I heard half of them played at Dudley. incredible. Like I said in the previous video, viewers, did any of you know anybody who came here? Did any of you use the bingo hall? Did any of you go see Roy Orbison maybe on the last occasion? When it was the last performance before the Hippodrome closed? Let us know in the chat if you can, it'd be great stuff. Definitely going to take some doing, isn't it, this, I think. Definitely going to take some work. Interesting. They're just checking all the pipes and that down now. Trying to get the best angle I can for this view so you can see what's going on. Interesting, isn't it? Right then, viewers, I'm going to end this vlog right now. Thank you very much for watching as always. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks to everybody who subscribed to the channel of late, I really do appreciate it. Thanks for all the lovely comments. Show you this in progress. Like I was hoping to get down here when they got towards the front and that, but I thought I'd come and have a look at it today and see what was happening. But I'll see you on the next one, and it's bye for now.